Hello, in this edition, let's have a product review on the kitchen timer come alarm clock. This kitchen timer was purchased through online through a Flipkart, and this has some instruction manual. That's the product. This is the instruction manual, operation manual, something on the back side. It looks like this when we open it. This comes with a magnet here, which can be stuck to any metallic, or it can also be placed on a table this way. Now let's see the various features of this. But first of all, let's try to start it. This battery is LR44, which has to be installed inside this battery slot. As soon as you put under the clock mode, press the start pause button once to put in the alarm mode. Thereafter, pressing the selected duration, this is for the seconds. If you put it for 5 seconds and put the start button, it starts counting. Let's watch. So this is for the seconds. Now to stop this, now put that in the minutes mode. You put for minutes mode and wait for the alarm. So up to 99 minutes you can program the timer. You can even pause during the event and continue. And to reset, you press both minutes and seconds button simultaneously. Under the clock mode, press all the 3 buttons at a time and you get into the clock mode. And in this mode, press M for 2 seconds. In the clock mode, press the seconds button for 2 seconds. And you can shift from 12 hours to 24 hours clock. Now to set the timings, press the M button for long duration and press the S button to set the time. Now the seconds button. That's the time now. It is a 24-hour clock. You can switch over from 12 hours to 24 hours clock. This is 12-hour mode. This is 24-hour mode. During the count up timer, press this button. Thereafter, once again press the button and it starts counting for the duration you work for. And stop when your work is over and you can see the duration you have spent on. You can come back to the normal clock by pressing all 3 buttons. Or it comes off automatically after 1 minute. What is a kitchen timer? A kitchen timer is a device whose primary function is to assist in timing during cooking. What is the kitchen timer used for? It is a device for keeping track of cooking over an extended period of time, allowing you to do any other work away from the stove simultaneously. Do you need a kitchen timer? A kitchen timer is a great tool to keep on hand, even if you have other timers on your oven, microwave, or even a handheld smartphone. Having a dedicated kitchen timer is a big convenience, especially when cooking multiple things at once. Do we need to use timer in baking? Let me be to the point. A timer will help you achieve consistent result in the quality of the final product, and it will also make you feel more efficient, freeing up time in the kitchen to do something else. I hope you have followed the video thoroughly. If you like my video, kindly press the bell icon to get notified for my further videos. Do subscribe to my channel. And if you have any pressing questions, please do mention in the comment sections. Thank you for watching. This is Srinivas.